This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Christina DiFilippo. One owner brick ranch with a full basement situated on a large level lot. Unique floor plan in this all custom, very well constructed home. Curved brick fireplace and lower level rec room, large fireplace separates the kitchen and family room. Formal living and dining rooms, 3 full baths, brick patio, storage building, 1 car garage, updated roof, updated HVAC. Do not miss this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Christina DiFilippo at 304-201-7653.